So, making some moonshine with a distillery. Yeah, this is a very nice present for my last birthday from a very good friend, and you see it's all in copper as it should be. Yeah, but of course, I will not just make some moonshine, but we'll also take some measurements, how much time it takes, what the temperature is while distilling. Yeah, I tried to, on the outside of the copper, yeah, to attach with some isolation, thermal isolation, thermocouple, and so we can see the approximate temperature of the steam going up here, which is interesting because methanol, the stuff we don't want to have in our moonshine, yeah, the steam temperature should be 65 degrees. And ethanol, the stuff we want in our moonshine, the temperature of the steam should be about 78 degrees Celsius. Sorry, all Celsius. And water, the stuff that should be, yeah, well, left in the still pot afterwards. Of course, the steam temperature should be 100 degrees Celsius. So, yeah, we won't see these numbers on the instrument. I don't think so, but we should at least see two changes over time. So between a lower temperature when the methanol is coming out here, to a little bit higher temperature when the ethanol, what we want, is coming out here. And yeah, and then the temperature should rise through, yeah, nearly 100 degrees Celsius measured here, when water is coming, which we don't want. So, but yeah, before we start, some preparations. So, our still pot weights in at 129 grams. Sorry, 129 grams. And according through the manual that came with it, yeah, it's in German, so yeah, but it says 0.4 liters of wine. And of course I have the yeah, from, if you know it, Aldi. That's really not drinkable, that stuff. I tried it, but it yeah, it has 9.5% of alcohol in it. And so let's press Tara and pour in 400 grams, which should be approximately 400 milliliters or 0.4 liters. Oh, the smell, sweet smell. Wow! Sorry. 400 grams. Exactly. Good. Next we have the burner waiting in at 75 grams. And yeah, I don't know. Is there something in the manual? Blah, blah, blah. Fill up to 2/3 with methylated spirit. Okay. Let's do that. I hope I don't make a mess. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Okay, I say 200 grams. Oh, that's too much. That's almost overflowing. Fortunately, I have somewhere something. Oh, this is all very messy. Two-thirds. Okay. Let's clean that up. With the open flame afterwards, having some methylated spirits flapping around everywhere. It's maybe not a good idea. So yeah, 146 grams of methylated spirits. And if you wonder, that stuff contains 94% of alcohol, that is methanol. So yeah, just for further reference, the glass in which I will collect the moonshine comes in at 136 grams, and the bowl I will collect in the undrinkable methanol comes in 80 grams, 18 grams. Okay, I think it's time to put the whole contraption together. Yeah, there's actually one thing missing, and that is some chilled water in the condenser. Yeah. So it's 210. We have 19 degrees Celsius up here somewhere where the steam will go through. And we have ignition, hopefully. Do we? Yeah, looks like it. And yeah, well, I will let the whole shebang running now, and yeah, eventually fast forward the whole thing until we see some results. Just adjusting the burner a little bit. What's the temperature here? Can I hold my hand? Yes. Don't want to burn the cable or something. Ooh, and the inside temperature is rising quite quickly, which is no surprise because it's all copper. So yeah, the copper is already starting to warm up here. Adjusting the burner one last time, and yeah, I will stop talking now and we go in fast forward. So at 219 we have 82 degrees Celsius, which must be the air temperature inside the thing, because oh, look, something is coming, something is coming. And the temperature is now rising quickly, but it's constant at 86 now. And I think we can change over. Whoa! 87 degrees. That's not working really good, is it? $88 degrees. Now the alcohol has basically evaporated from the wine. And yeah, this went faster than I thought. The water is already warm. And it's dripping alcohol here instead of the glass. Okay, there's some room of improvement. What a mess. Okay, definitely room for improvement. Yeah, but guess what's coming out now? Tastes like wine, not like spirit. So yeah, let's stop this experiment. And clean up the mess, and then we'll measure what we got out. By the way, the cooling water, which came chilled out of the fridge, so about 7-8 degrees Celsius, went up in that short time to 38. It's down to 36 now. Yeah, maybe some ice next time, huh? So, for our moonshine, and it really looks like moonshine. I will try it in a second. We come in at a total of 194 grams. That is, we have moonshine minus, this is plus, so 6 to 14 is 8, 4, 5. That correct? 8, 6 and 8 is 14. 6 and 3 is 9. So 85 grams of moonshine from 400 grams of wine at 9.5%. Well, that should have yielded about 10%, so a little bit less than 40 grams. So yeah, this is, there's still some water in it. But wait, our bowl with the methanol comes in at, well, it evaporated already. So yeah. So methanol, zero grams. Yeah, a big problem was when the flow, sorry, I have to change the perspective. When the flow rate was really low, the stuff didn't went into the bowl or into the glass, but yeah, it dripped down here the side, and I wiped off a whole lot from the desk. So yeah, they mention in the manual it's a good idea to yeah, attach some silicone tubing. Not included, but yeah, that's one room of improvement. Other are of course temperature, real temperature sensors, huh? Yeah, continuing on. So our burner is now at 202 grams minus the 75 grams. This is 12 minus 5 is 7. 10 minus 2, 10 minus 8 is 2 and a 1. So we actually have 127 grams of fuel left, and some of it is well, still inside the wick of the burner, I guess. So we basically burned, yeah, let's say about 20 grams, and we got out, yeah, at max 40 grams of alcohol. So yeah, it's a win. It's I actually thought in the beginning we would burn much more methylated spirits, that is methanol, than we would get out. But yeah, and the rest of the wine weighs in at 447, and that's minus the weight of the pot, 129. That's 17 minus 9 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we evaporated about 82 grams of wine, and we got out 58 grams, and yeah, so yeah, basically 24 grams or something like that ended up on the floor. Shit happens. Only one thing to do. Yeah, I don't know. Just let's do it. Well, it's stronger than wine, but it's very soft. But it's definitely burning. But well, without any further measurements, I would put that at, oh yeah, it has alcohol in it. I would put that to between 20 and 30%, just from the taste of it. Maybe more on the 20% side. Well, that's it for today. Making moonshine from cheap white wine. Bye.